How to get US dollars at the official CBN rate of 462 naira to 1 US dollar in 2023. Step 1. Register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, CAC. I have a public liability company registered, but a sole proprietorship business can still be fine. Step 2. Pay your tax with the FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue Service, and obtain your tax identification number, also known as TIN. Step 3. Apply and obtain your SCUM certificate. Step 4. Open a corporate account for your business with any bank of your choice in Nigeria. These are the 4 major requirements, but there are still other minor ones like pro forma invoice and others, which I will still get to later in this video. Now let me give you a general concept of how this works. Both the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Federal Government of Nigeria have over the years been supporting small and medium scale businesses by giving them US dollars at official CBN rates when they want to import goods and services from outside the country. Now, for example, when you have a small or medium scale business and you want to import goods from abroad, okay, and you want to pay for your goods and services abroad, you cannot do that due to the limit on the Nigerian ATM cards. And if you opt in to use the black market rate, or if you try to pay for your goods and services using an online virtual card, then you've already lost the battle of making profit even before your goods arrive. So now, what do you do in this case? Just watch this video to the end, because I'll be leaving no stone unturned and I'll tell you everything you need to know for this to be possible. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. Now, when you've obtained all the trade documents I just mentioned earlier and also opened a corporate account for your business in any Nigerian bank, just head to your bank and tell them you want to fill Form M. The Form M is mandatory for all importation of goods from abroad into Nigeria. But your application for Form M or your request to import goods into the country at CBN rates will be rejected instantly once you try to import any of these 43 items that I'm about to list out. Now, I repeat, if you try to import, or if you feel in that you want to import any of these 43 items I'm about to list for you right now, your Form M is going to be rejected instantly. And believe you me, banks are not going to list out any of these goods for you. 1. Rice. 2. Cement. 3. Margarine. 4. Palm kernel, palm oil, or vegetable oil. 5. Meats and processed meat products. 6. Vegetable and processed vegetable products. 7. Poultry, eggs, turkey, chicken. 8. Private airplanes/jets. 9. Indian incense. 10. Tinned fish in sauce. Example, geisha, sardines. Must don't depend me. Oh God. Now, these are just the top 10 products that are banned from receiving Forex for importation. I am going to mention the remaining 33 at the end of this video, so keep watching. Now, once your product or what you want to import is not among any of these 43 items that I just mentioned, you are likely going to have your Form M approved and you will get your dollars at official CBN rates. Now, you also need to provide your ID card, passport photograph, signature, BVN, and the BVN of your directors if you're operating a public liability company, and also the pro forma invoice. Now, the pro forma invoice is going to be provided to you by the supplier of the goods from abroad, okay? It is like a preliminary bill or an estimated invoice used to request payment from a potential buyer. Now, very importantly, after providing all these documents, okay, you need to deposit Naira in couple of millions. This is not what you do, your 100,000 or 200,000. In couple of millions, you deposit in your corporate account, and then the bank is going to debit you at official CBN rates, and then credit your supplier abroad in US dollars or in any other currency that you filled in, that you people are transacting with. I know some of you want to collect the dollars and go and hide it in your house. Shame. This whole process normally takes 1 to 3 months to process, depending on the bank that you are operating with and also the type of products that you want to import. And of course, when you succeed in this and get your product or whatever you're importing at the official rate of 462 to 1 US dollars and you bring into Nigeria, you can decide to sell at whatever price that you wish to. And of course, you're already a massive profit. Now, a continuation of the banned products for receiving Forex are 11. Cold rolled steel sheets. 12. Galvanized steel sheets. 13. Roofing sheets. 14. Wheelbarrows. 15. Headpans. You guys manufacture in Nigeria, not imported. 16. Metal boxes and containers. 17. Enamelware. 18. Steel drums. 19. Steel pipes. 20. Wire rods, deformed and not deformed. 21. Iron rods and reinforcer bars. 22. Wire mesh. 23. Steel nails. 24. Security and razor wires. 25. Wood particle boards and panels. 26. Wood fiber boards and panels. 27. Plywood boards and panels. 28. Wooden doors. 29. Furniture. 30. Toothpicks. 31. Glass and glassware. 32. Kitchen utensils. 33. Tableware. 34. Tiles, vitrified and ceramic. 35. Textiles. 36. Woven fabrics. 37. Clothes. 38. Plastic and rubber products, cellophane wrappers. 39. Soap and cosmetics. 40. Tomato and tomato pastes. 41. Eurobond / foreign currency bond / share purchases. 42. Milk. 43. Maize. If you gained any value in this video, please like, share and comment so that more people can be able to see this video and gain true value from watching the videos that I share online. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. My name is Waterfred1.